story time unboxing with 3 new fragrances that I've been waiting with bated breath for. What happened to this package that caused me to have a mini heart attack, and what I had to do to get it back. But first, let's get this precious cargo unboxed after waiting a very long time for it. It arrived earlier today, but I ordered this a couple weeks ago, maybe not quite 2 weeks. But these are the new Swiss Arabians. I ordered all 3 because as a true Sagittarian, I could not decide, and they were all calling to me. And I'm looking at everyone at Beauty World with happiness but jealousy that I'm not there able to smell and discern all the fragrances that I would like and would not like. So I just went ahead and ordered all 3 of them, and that's an expensive purchase. And if you know me, and if you don't know me, I'll let you know, spending over $100 on fragrance is hard when I have so many affordable fragrances that are amazing. Now, of course, this wasn't $100 on one fragrance, but these are new launches. They're from the Heritage and the Shaghaf collection and the Cities collection, or the one that Opulence of Dubai and the Spirit of Valencia and Essence of Casablanca are from. So I decided to get the collector's box. And after a couple days, I saw that this was moving, the package was moving, obsessively checking my tracking like any other fragrance crack connoisseur of sorts. And I can say that as, I am a recovering addict, and I am now a avid fragrance collector addict. Anyway, I'm just poking fun at what I went through, of course, but, I'm not poking fun at anybody else's addiction. But anyway, besides the point. To my horror, I was all excited. I said, oh my God, this was so fast. 2 days, Swiss Arabian. I noticed that it was out for delivery 1,200 miles north in Massachusetts, which is where I'm originally from, at my old residence. There is no reason my phone filled in that as the shipping address. I have not been ordering from Swiss Arabian for 4 years, so I don't understand. Anyway, so Swiss Arabian, it was already an expensive package. It was almost a $200 package with the shipping that I paid initially to get it to the wrong place. And then me having a panic attack at 5 in the morning after being woken up by other people in my house to do things, and because someone forgot something for work, I could not go back to sleep, and I had to be at work that Monday. So after unsuccessfully trying to intercept the package, I decided to try to sleuth and contact the new owners of my old house, which I successfully did. And I was able to coordinate one of my family friends, may as well have been a relative, to go pick up this package. And it took a couple days for them, which I'm extremely grateful regardless. But they had a couple things they needed to do, fast forward a couple days. But the problem was, Tuesday, I get another notification that my Mooncat polish order showed up in Massachusetts instead of in Georgia. How my phone glitched on 2 orders, thank God that was it, I don't know. But I will be not using auto checkout anymore on anything for that matter. But it was not until Saturday, this is Monday, that the package went out from Massachusetts, and is just now getting to me the following Thursday. So we have my Mooncat order, which has nothing to do with this video, which I'm excited for as well. But this box, this is what I am waiting for, the new Swiss Arabian collector's box. So yeah, I don't see anything else in there, so let's get that out of the way. This baby is locked and loaded. So let's, oh wow. Oh, well, these are more than just fragrances. They're an experience. Let your senses enjoy what you smell. That's what it says here. This is freaking opulent. So we have Amber Infusion, Enigma of Taif, I believe, and Vanilla 01. Let me make sure I'm reading that right. Oh my goodness, look at this. I mean, yes, this was 100% worth it if the fragrances smell good. So let's see if they smell good. And I have been trying to debate with myself which one to smell first. But honestly, I kind of dressed for Amber Infusion, but I kind of want to smell Vanilla 01 first. So you know what? Because I just said that, we're going to do Enigma of Taif first. So let me get it out of here. Let me shimmy it out of the package. Come on, you beautiful bottle. Don't let me down after everything I went through to get you. So Swiss Arabian, I paid almost $75 in shipping with what I had to pay my uncle to get. And of course I gave him extra. But yeah, if these fragrances suck, I'm going to be one unhappy, not happy camper. But let's just go in. I'm not going to go straight on skin because, I would like to just wear one. But Enigma of Taif. It's a beautiful rose. It's like a suede. You're gonna hear my family in the background. I'm sorry, I can't mute them. They live here too. Ooh, it's a woodsy spicy rose. It's really pretty. I have a feeling this will bloom on skin a little bit more. Not really getting much sweetness in it, so very nice. I'm excited to see what that one's like on skin. I'm not wowed yet. It's pretty, but I'm not wowed yet. Of course, again, on skin, whole different thing. Kind of gives me the same vibes with the spices of Opulence of Dubai, which is a very spicy fragrance. So it doesn't surprise me that this is very spicy and woody as well. So that's Enigma of Taif. And I'm assuming Taif Rose is definitely the star of the show. I mean, that would make the most sense. Ooh, in the air. Ooh, yes. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. In the air, I'm getting a little more sweetness. So I have a feeling on skin, it's gonna be beautiful. All right, let's go Vanilla 01. Please don't break. Please don't break. This is hard to get these out of here. Oh my God. Can you come out? Please? Come out. Okay. I mean, at least my bottles are all intact. Hopefully they all work and everything. Okay. Vanilla 01. Let's go. I'm going to shut this so the bottle doesn't get any more on it. Oh my God. Yes. Thank you. This vanilla is a grown Ooh, grown and sexy. Yep, this is going straight on skin. I can't help myself. Look at that shine. It's burning my nostril hairs because I just inhaled it straight away. But ooh, powdery but not too powdery. Grown and sexy vanilla. This is giving opulence. Not quite gourmand. It doesn't smell like food. Of course, the vanilla is there. It's present, but it's kind of balsamic and sweet. Maybe a tiny bit of woodiness. Yeah, this a hit, baby. This a hit. All right, cool. All right, we're doing good so far. We're doing good so far. Yeah, that's a hit. I can't really say too much more. It's a simple vanilla, but it's grown and sexy. And if you know anything about Swiss Arabian, most of their stuff is absolutely exceptional with performance. So I anticipate it being very nice. So let's hope we're 3 for 3. Ooh, I have a feeling the rose and the vanilla are going to be really good together. And this last chocolate bottle, which like clearly I'm living for, is Amber Infusion. Now, I don't know any of these notes. I don't care right now because I've gone through so much stress trying to get this package back and coordinate the interception and safe delivery of this package and paid a lot of money for it too. So Swiss Arabian, thank you. We're 2 of 3 so far. Let's see if we can go 3 for 3. Let's see. Powdery amber? I can't really smell it good on a tester paper. Oh wow, that vanilla. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Yeah, I could just I could just inhale my orb right now. Okay. I'm not gaslighting myself into liking anything either. Like I knew I'd like the vanilla. Like there's no way I wouldn't, but let's see what Amber Infusion is giving. This one's a little different. It's very ambery, but there's almost like this like kind of fruity thing going on. I'm not loving that one, to be honest. I'm not loving that one, and that's pretty sad because that's the one I dressed for, but there's something a little off about it, but I'm just going to attribute it to bottle shock from the transit of being with FedEx today. We'll just revisit it, but 2 of 3, not bad. There was no way I was going to be able to pick one or the other, so I'm glad that I got the collector's edition. Now, vanilla is definitely my favorite. I saw that coming. I'm surprised that I'm not loving the amber, but we'll see what it does. Yeah, there's just something a little weird there. I don't know what it is. It's like it's not quite sour or something, but like, I don't know. It smells very woodsy, but as if there was like a fruit that got smoked in a wood, and it's an odd thing. But all in all, Swiss Arabian, you definitely outdid yourself with the packaging. These 3 new additions. Oh my god, this vanilla. Yes, the vanilla is a 10 out of 10. Beautiful, grown and sexy, not crazy, sugary, overload, sweet vanilla. Like I said, it is grown and sexy, giving femme fatale. The Enigma of Taif, I think, kind of gives that vibe too, which, if you don't know me, that is definitely my favorite thing to convey. Or my favorite kind of fragrances are dark and seductive, so hi. I like sugary sweet, I like bubblegum, I like all the things, but my fragrance palette kind of runs the gambit, but truly I love fall and winter seductive fragrances the most. As I've mentioned, I grew up in Massachusetts. It's cold a lot of the year over there. I get all 4, or we had all 4 seasons up there, so I really had more of a diversified setting and environment from which I pulled inspiration for my fragrances. So yeah, that's a 10 out of 10. I don't really like the amber right now. I'm a little upset about that, but that's okay. We're gonna let it sit. I'm not sending this back. This is, it took way too much time to get to me, and I wouldn't want to give the vanilla back right now. I mean, amber infusion up on Mercari if it doesn't turn into something that I like. So anyway, toodaloo, bye for now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned.